pressure point. You know? Anytime, any day. Keeps you good. Alive.
After watching Michelle Yeoh's video on her bag collection, I talked about how to do the face massage. Today, I'm going to talk about how to do facial Gua Sha. Before we start, make sure to wash your face and apply some oil or serum to keep it well moisturized. Now, let's begin by massaging the Yifeng pressure point, which is located behind the ear. Massage it for 10 seconds to help relax the meridians around the neck. Then, let's start Gua Sha from the neck. Starting from the Yifeng pressure point, follow the neck meridian, moving downward from the neck to the shoulder. Do this 10 times on each side, until you notice redness or small red satellite particles. You can also use the hump part of this tool to repeat the same action. The skin on the leg is relatively thin, and we often neglect its care, making it prone to wrinkles. That's why the neck can be a revealing indicator of a woman's age. Gua Sha on the leg can enhance facial blood circulation, combat fatigue, and minimize wrinkles. Making it a regular practice not only boosts your energy, but also helps prevent wrinkles. Now, let's shift to the side for the second meridian. Use the hump pad, and it's a perfect size for this meridian. Repeat this action 10 times on each side, and then do it again 3 to 4 times. Next, you can utilize the longer side to work on other areas of your neck. For the central section, you can also use hump side. Gently repeat this for 10 to 20 times. Now, let's move on to the face. Facial Gua Sha is built upon the acupressure points, which I showed in my previous video. Let's begin with the forehead. Use the longer side of this tool for vertical scraping. After 20 seconds, switch to horizontal scraping. This technique can help reduce forehead wrinkles and lift the skin on the forehead. Don't worry, facial Gua Sha won't make your face turn red or cause redness. Next, let's move down to our eyebrows. Remember, there are 3 important acupressure points on our eyebrows. Now, let's use the hump side to massage all of them. Place the eyebrows in this hump area. It fits perfectly. Then, move from the front to the end. Repeat it 10 times on each side, and you will feel completely relaxed around your eyes. You can also use the small head of the Gua Sha tool to perform the same massage. Let's move to the Chenchi point, an important point for reducing eye bags. We will also use the hump side to place it below your eyes. Move from the Yifeng point towards the end of your eyebrow. Repeat this skin lifting process 10 times on each side, and repeat it 2 to 3 times. This method can effectively reduce eye bags, dark circles, and sagging. Now, we need to use the long side of this tool for face lifting. You can see that this side is perfect size for your face. When we perform the scraping, we should move upwards to lift your face. At the end, you can use this tool to press your temple for 2 to 3 seconds. In this area, there are 3 important beauty pressure points. By scraping this area, you can effectively enhance blood circulation, lift your face, and prevent nasolabial lines and marionette lines. Let's move down to our chins and jaws. It appears that the hump side of this tool was designed to fit our chin. See? It's perfect match. Now, let's move from our chin all the way towards the earlobe. Repeat this 10 times on each side, and repeat it 3 to 4 times. That's it! Facial gua sha or face massage from neck to face. Hope you like it. Bye!